Sorry about that, guys. I think I might have had a little bit of stream interrupt just there. Oh no. Damn it. Okay. Looks like I'm back. Oh man, I think I just lost. Oh, I think I just lost that video feed. Damn it. Well, here's hoping Twitch has a backup of that. Okay. I think I'll play for another, let's see, a couple minutes and probably call it good for tonight. Gotta go to work tomorrow. Gotta make sure I'm all rested. Oh, man, that bites. Any switches or... Oh, here we go. Okay. Well, I'm guessing I have to throw something at this thing. Hang on. Through the game's logic, they've told me that cracked windows can be broken. More. Yep. There we go. Go.
We're here? We're here! Okay, great. Time to hijack ourselves a submarine. There will be nothing stopping us when we have the Dunbat.
You guys sure have a lot of machines and vehicles down here. What makes this one so special?
It's the only transport that can go into the abyss without cracking like a can of soup.
If this is one of a kind, then how did they get the Ark down the abyss in the first place?
That's a good question. I suppose they did it the hard way and just walked.
Didn't realize that was an option.
Yes.
Dad, what's it like inside the Ark? Is it like a movie or virtual reality?
No, of course not. It's, you know, like real life, but slightly better. Pleasant temperature, clean air, good weather.
So people in the Ark just walk around pretending it's the real world?
You don't have to pretend, it's perfectly immersive.
And it can just sustain itself?
Yes. Attached to a probe fueled by solar panels, it could survive for thousands of years.
That's amazing. Just thinking about the Earth being what it is and us setting out to save the final remains of humanity, it's
Heroic.
At least it feels worth doing.
It feels at least worth doing.
Here we go. The Dunbat. Oh, damn it. I knew it was too good to be true.
What's wrong?
It's quarantined. Hold on.
Oh no.
We need a security cipher.
How bad is it?
It's we don't write these things down type of bad.
Oh, yikes.
Maybe someone's still around who can tell us what it is.
Sure, let's go with that. I'll just unlock the other doors for you so you can explore the station.
Thanks, Kath.
We need to find someone who knows the cipher. It's the only way to fire up the Dunbat.
Alright, we're here. Oh, wow.
Looks like all your friends moved downstairs.
Why abandon the gate? And the habitat? That's so strange. I don't like this at all.
Lots of people. Man, I'm really hope that stream was archived somehow on Twitch. Huh. Oh boy, another bathroom. Oh, I can't go in. It sucked to lose all that video. Okay, so now this door should be unlocked now. Oh wait, no, hold on. Do I need... I need the tool.
Find someone who knows the security cipher.
Oh, I guess I can't take the tool with me, so... It's not like... I keep thinking it's like Thief, where I can, like, bound over short railings. Oh, I can't go this way. Where can I go? Oh, here we go. Oh, this looks inviting. Oh, man. Oh, that's better. Thanks, Kath. I assume that's you.
Why would they all leave this floor?
I don't get it either. It's like they all just cleared out.
We're gonna check that door in a little bit.
What's so interesting downstairs? Just labs and offices. Maybe the shuttle station.
Should we go check?
Rather not. Got a bad feeling about this.
Oof. Yeesh. Another bathroom. I don't know why I always check. Like I expect to see anything different. What is this, Chinese axe? Whoa! Oh my god. Well, that happened. Whoa, that's... I'm actually really glad that they finally did that. That looked kind of cool. Whoa. Okay. Oh.
Maybe they wanted to keep close to the shuttle station in case something went wrong. I'm just worried about my colleagues.
Old photos. Whoa. Catherine Chun. This was...
Hey, that's my room.
You want me to bring something? A souvenir?
No, it's just memories.
You sure?
Your teddy bear could use some repair.
Toby always breaks. He's top heavy, so he keeps falling over.
Aww. It's cute
I seriously
and
doubt you'll
creepy.
find anything useful in there.
Nope, gonna scour this entire room. I'll respect your privacy, even though...
What's the little projector? Looks homemade.
That's my attempt at building a vivarium. It's kind of a proto-ark.
Come on.
You don't have to search my room. We'll get by.
Is there something you don't want me to see, Catherine?
You have a lot of toys.
What's a geisha? I think.
Maybe we should move on.
No! Okay.
What's with the junk? Looks like something you'd fish out of the ocean.
Huh? Oh, you mean... Yeah, that's a part of Reed's vivarium. It's a long story. Forget it. Come on, no need to go through all my stuff.
Fine, alright, let's go. Whoa. Oh yeah, some photos of these. Drink? No, I need to. Oof. Yikes. Man, that's not exactly. It's kind of creepy. However, Drinky Bird. Drinky Bird! Oh, I can't. Oh, oh. Drinky Bird! Yay! Oh, man. Post-it notes. Oh.
Did you know that the human body consists of up to 75 trillion individual cells? They typically don't stay with us till we die. Some live a few days, while others live a few years. We're not affected by their short lifespans, as they're replaced by new cells which help sustain our bodies. I don't think anyone would argue that we ever lose our persona due to this process. Yet we are clearly in a constant state of transformation. Then how do we remain the same? A continuous flow of thought and perception keeps an unbroken chain of continuity that we know as our self. Our conscious mind is not the pattern of our brain, but a continuous emergent entity based on that pattern. When Dr. Chun populates the Ark, she is capturing a moment of our existence and placing it inside the digital world. Soon you and your digital you will grow apart due to diverging experiences, but for a tiny window, you are the very same.
Yeah.
With unbroken continuity, it will live on. A fulfilling life, no doubt. No less real than the one from which it was plucked. Now remember, you are not your body. You are the emergent entity. That entity just happens to occupy two places at once for a while. If you took away your body, you would simply be the only one you can be. The you inside the Ark. Let your body die and continue on in the digital paradise among the stars.
I don't get it. Well, this is the most inviting room by far. Ugh. go. Let's see what's in this room. Whoa, it's reflective. Oh shit. Wait, was there blood here? Did I just totally gloss over that? Yeesh. Oh, razor, goddamn. Ugh. Okay, yeah, the blood was there. I just totally glossed over that. Thanks for watching. I just go straight for the shiny things I can interact with. And everybody was just in it to kill themselves so they could be on this arc thing. No wonder that guy was like, hey, don't, I swear to God, if I see anybody else killing themselves, I'm gonna throw a fit. Oh no. Oh no. Something dangerous is here. I'm just gonna back away. Actually couldn't go through this door, right? I don't think I could. Yeah, I can't really fit in, and they're just... That monster was there just to foreshadow upcoming events. Wait. Okay, something just fell. Oh, good! Good! Well, guys, I actually think I probably should cut it short right here. Sorry to leave you guys on such a cliffhanger, but I think that should be it for tonight. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll let you guys know when I stream again. Probably expect it sometime soon. I wanna see if I can get through this. Alrighty, see you guys later.